Hey, welcome back to Tuesday Tours. Hey, we're once again in Venice, California, where we're going to look at some homes. We're coming to you right now from Penmar Golf Course. It's here in Venice. It's actually very close to the Santa Monica Airport, so you might hear a couple airplanes. This is a great little golf course. They also have breakfast, they have lunch, they have dinner, they have a great breakfast here. Let me tell you, it's a little hidden secret, but I think a secret's out. A lot of people are starting to find out. Also in the evenings, they have music, as you can see in the background there, where the big screen is. Especially on Friday nights, they have a sunset series of various artists that come out here. So today on the tour, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to take you to some opportunity homes, meaning fixers, rehabs. You can even possibly tear them down and build up what you want. So if you are looking for a fixer or an opportunity property here in Venice, California, reach out to us. All our information is below. You can text us, you can call us, you can shoot us an email, you can even schedule a Zoom call right on our website. All right, let me stop talking and let's go look at these two properties.